BJP, you people requested JDS to support Mansoor Ali Khan, they call themselves a secular party. But what Congress has learned and what the people of Karnataka should learn now.
We expected that JDS will vote for a Muslim candidate. Last time we had supported Devegowda, so this time we expected they will vote for Mansoor Ali Khan, but they did not vote. This has proved that they are not for minorities.
So what next? How it is going to affect the upcoming elections? How it is?
Yeah, definitely we are going to tell the people of this Karnataka, especially minorities, those people definitely if they have voted, they were now responsible for electing this BJP candidate. And we are going to tell the minorities also, those people who speak on minorities, that we are saviors of minorities. Now that question we are going to tell to the people of especially minorities, so that they will also come to know. Tomorrow we are going to ask them also that why you are not voted for a Muslim candidate.